Welcome to an exciting journey of the underground world. Our spotlight is on one of the most understated yet highly significant creature, earthworms.
Fact 1. Earthworms have no eyes, but they can still sense vibrations, temperature changes, and even light and dark.
Fact 2. An earthworm's body is made up of ring-like segments called annuli. These segments are covered in setae, or small bristles, which the worm uses to move and burrow. Fact 3. Did you know there are around 6,000 species of earthworms worldwide? Australia is home to the giant Gippsland that can grow up to 9 feet long.
Fact 4. Unlike humans, earthworms breathe through their skin. They secrete mucus that allows them to absorb oxygen and expel carbon dioxide.
Fact 5. Earthworms are hermaphrodites. That means each worm has both male and female reproductive organs.
Fact 6. An earthworm can consume up to 1/3 its body weight in a day.
Fact 7. They feed on dead grass, leaves, and manure, which they turn into nutrient-rich castings or earthworm poop.
Fact 8. These castings are a perfect natural fertilizer, improving the quality and fertility of the soil.
Fact 9. Earthworms play a crucial role in soil health by aerating and draining it.
Fact 10. Earthworms can regenerate lost segments, but they can't always regenerate their heads or tails. The ability differs across species.
Fact 11. They are present everywhere except Arctic and desert ecosystems due to extreme conditions.
Fact 12. Earthworms can't survive in salty soil, hence they are absent in marine ecosystems. Fact 13. Charles Darwin spent 39 years studying earthworms more than any other animal. He concluded, it may be doubted whether there are many other animals which have played so important a part in the history of the world.
Fact 14. Unlike most animals, earthworms' growth is not determined by age, but by environmental conditions. Fact 15. Some earthworms lay eggs while others give live birth.
Fact 16. An earthworm can't hear, but vibrations through the ground give them information about their surroundings.
Fact 17. The lifespan of an earthworm is about 4 to 8 years.
Fact 18. Earthworms don't have teeth for ground food. Instead, they have a gizzard, an organ filled with small stones, which grinds up the food.
Fact 19. If environmental conditions are right, Australia's giant Gippsland earthworm can produce a liter of liquid with their bodily contractions, called squirting.
Fact 20. Some African earthworms are known to take shelter in termite mounds to survive harsh, dry seasons.
Fact 21. If earthworms come out during the day, they could die due to the heat of the sun.
Fact 22. Earthworms can't drown like humans do in water. However, if the water has no oxygen, they can.
Fact 23. They excrete a slippery substance when touched. That's why it's hard to hold on to them. Fact 24. The act of earthworms coming to the surface to mate is known as night crawling.
Fact 25. Babies born from eggs are called juvenile worms. They are born without the band clitellum.
Fact 26. During cold winter months, some earthworm species curl up and encase themselves in a protective mucus that dries and seals them in. This is called estivation.
Fact 27. Earthworms are a food source for numerous animals like birds, rats, frogs, beetles, and more. Fact 28. There are some invasive earthworm species that are problematic as they aggressively consume leaf litter, disrupting the forest ecosystem.
Fact 29. An earthworm's color is due to the high amount of blood flowing close to their skin.
Fact 30. In some cultures, earthworms are eaten for their protein and are even considered a delicacy.
There you go. That's our roundup for 30 fascinating facts about earthworms. I bet you'll look at these humble tunnelers in a whole new light after this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more such insightful videos.